What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna play Subway Surfer. Today I'm gonna play Subway Surfer, and let's begin. Okay, now we are playing it. I'm gonna be the boy. Okay, let me get the highest score. I was going at the right, but I go to the left. What? See. I look at that place because the S will be right over here, and there's a question mark. What is this? What? Comments down below. What is that starting? I'm still waiting. Okay, let's jump down. Hit the smash button. Jump down. Jump down. I got hit by that bush. That's a long spelling, dude. How can I correct it? My score is that. What? Where am I? I got a new bounty. Frozen thinking. Find me. Let me get my highest score. This way. Okay, let me jump, and I already fell down. So I got it, dude, and you're dead already. Okay, now we have to wait. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Boogie barn. Blast off in the right. How can I jump over the thing? Like I have to jump over it, but I already did. My score is 918. My score is that. No more skateboard. Are you serious? No tag to move. Hoverboard. I'm skating and skating. Weehaw. We are. And I need to work. Take this hoverboard. Okay, let me just jump and down. Jump down. I must jump in a train. Okay, now let's go get that question mark. Let's see, what is it? And can you comment down below what that 13 this is getting faster than I comments down below what is That is, I got a prize. Comments down below what is that, 6 times or 3 times, because I don't know what's that. Evilly, I'm jumping in the sky. I'm beating somebody's score. I'm gonna beat somebody's score. I'm gonna beat somebody's score. I'm gonna beat somebody's score. Beat a score. Yeah, man. I'm running so faster. That means I'm going to win. I'm gonna finish this obby. Not obby. Oh, I'm flying in the sky with laser, getting coins. I need that thing. What is? Let's go jump on the other trains, and I got paid that. Now I can now jump on trains. Wow, thank you for the train, dudes. Now let's go jump in sky, get the star. I don't know what is it. Comments down below. That thing, like 6 minus or 6 times. Okay, let's go just down and up. Up, down. That was the closest one. My leg was down. Like, one leg was down, one leg was up. Let me jump and down, roll over that, fly in sky, that whole universe. I'm going to the whole universe. Wow, I beat up like that. Funny. I have to kill him. What? I will not play this. Let me come over here and let's play. Bad luck. Can you go really this? No. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off X. Are you serious? I got beat up like that? I was controlling it, dude. 26, 25, 24, 28. Please it be 1. 80, 7, 16, 17, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 down. The dog is no match. Let me just jump over that. Take that. One man. Take this. Blah. One man. Probably, Samino. Yeah, PC. I'm gonna win. No matter what, I'm gonna win. No matter what, I'm gonna win. Ah! So well, I'm not doing another time. Done. Let me get my prize. 3 hoverboard. What? The key. What? My score. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.